Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to post on Instagram. So for this, you need to go first in this plus icon, click on it and choose that photo or video which you want to upload. After that, you can select multiple photos or videos from here. So I'll choose this one photo, then go for next. Then you can to add filters from here, moon, blur, race, whatever you want. You can add filters from here. You can edit, you can adjust all these things. Okay, you can choose edit it like this. Okay, then you can less and do more brightness from here and go for done. You can contrast from here, you can see. Okay, go done, and you can edit its structure from here. Or another thing, you can add anything from here. You can add shadows or whatever you want. You can add from here. You can add edit it from here also, and you can add music from here. Choose your music or you search from here. Okay, and okay, I'll choose this one. You can uh, add your duration from here. You can edit the song or choose your choiceable lyrics from the song here, then go for done. Okay, then when you are done, just go for next. After that, you can add your location from here. Search here your location and just add it, and you can tag people uh, from here. You can collaborate from here. Search it, search the person to with whom you want to collaborate. Okay, then when you are done, go for this check option, and yeah, that's it. You can add caption from here. After that, when you are done with all of these things, then go for just share, and your post will be uploaded after that. So this is how you can post on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.